This is a sample video that I would use to introduce the students to the week.
My name is Maureen Kemp, and I'm here to showcase my CIS 115 course. It is an Introduction to Programming Logic. This is a course that is going to be offered in the spring semester in the hybrid format. It's also a course that has been offered in the hybrid format since I've started in fall of 2017. So hopefully I've taken this course to the next level. One of the things that we want to first start taking a look at is my name is Maureen Kemp, and I am the computer science instructor here at JCC. I'm a part of the USET group, and I have been teaching online and hybrid courses and developing online and hybrid courses for about 15 years now. One of the things that I think makes my courses unique and exemplary is the use of the videos, the use of graphics, the use of multiple different teaching methodologies, using whether it is publisher content or my own generated creative content for the students to use to then be successful in the course. One of the things that I also think is making this an exemplary course is that I'm constantly looking for feedback from my students to make the course more successful for their success throughout the semester. So let's go ahead and let's get started. As you can see, the navigation is very easy. I like a lot of color. I find that students are a little bit more attentive whenever there is a splash of color. I do have a getting started because this is a hybrid course. They do have to complete the enrollment verification quiz, so that's always the first thing that they'll see. You'll also see that I do have a welcome message that then points them to the Getting Started folder where they'll actually find that student enrollment verification quiz, or they can click it here and get straight to it as well. I have a methodology that I use that no two students use the same click path to get to information that they are looking for. So I have my information in multiple places, giving them that multiple click path ability to get to the information any mode in any different way. The announcements is the main default. When a student comes in, they'll always have come into the announcements page, and any new announcements that are important will be here at the top and easy for the students. I don't like to make the students scroll a lot, and I use that as a part of the methodology when I'm developing my courses. So in the weekly content, you'll see that we don't start at week 1 up here at the top and then go down to the bottom. When week 1 is open, week 1 will be at the top, and then each week the new folder will build on top. So the current folder is always at the top of the page, or at the top of the list as well. And one of the things that I also do is I have an information section. This will link straight to the syllabus and straight to information for the instructor. The course information is information that is in the syllabus that I know the students aren't always going to read the syllabus or know exactly where to go to find it in the syllabus. So I take all of the important stuff out of the syllabus that the student needs to know, and I post it here in the course information with regards to the evaluation methodologies and information on basically how to use the different content and how to actually be successful in this course, and where they can go to find that information to be successful in this course. Next is the course schedule. I do provide a course schedule, and it is ADA compliant with regards to the standards that are set by AI, and I'll actually show you that here in just a moment, where we'll go into the files and look at all of that. This is a printable document that the students can then print and have with them, but it shows all the way through the semester to the final week as to what their homework will be that week, what their reading assignments are that week, and exactly what their homework assignments are and where they can find them. This course utilizes publisher contents and a simulated programming environment called MindCap, and a lot of the assignments that we actually do is provided in this environment, so the students can access it from anywhere and be able to complete their homework anywhere, making it easy to take this to an online course format if we wanted to. One of the things that I have found in the multiple years of teaching that I like to give a resource site, and this is specific to the course. This is the software that they're going to need for the semester, giving them access to that. Also, I give them information on how to download the software that they're going to need, information about the software developers information where they have access to all of the software. In the course that we're going to use, also you'll see that I also provide information on the data files, syntax, program examples, videos, helpful websites, and then any articles that are prevalent and about Python that have come out during that semester that they can actually read. Next, you'll find that we do use an e-text in this course, and there's information. There's the opt-out information that we're required. This is an assignment that is a PDF that I actually need to come in, and I have not uploaded my Ally completely ADA compliant document there. I need to fix that. But as you can see, I have direct links to each of the chapters and giving them direct access to each chapter for the course that they can then come in and read. All right, so next on the list is the discussion boards. This is where we do the student-student, student-to-instructor collaboration. I do have an open forum discussion board that allows students to post any questions related to the course right here. I do list my etiquette rules, both graphically and textually. I also give them what my recommendation or what my requirements are for grading and the protocol that is going to be used when they're contributing to the discussion boards. In the weekly discussion, the very first week, we do an introduction. This course is a course that is offered to both Associates of Arts and Associates of Science students as an elective. So I do get a multitude of different kinds of students and not just one specific type of students. And so I ask them what their degree is, what their future goals are, and exactly why are you taking this Python course. And then I also post in the forum and to give a little bit more personal information to give them that way of knowing me and who I am. And of course I have to show off my girls and my kids. These are my human kids. These are my fur kids. And so they can actually see that I am human as well. One of the things that I will do is that the grading section, after this enrollment verification week is over, this grading section will actually move to the top so students will have direct access to their grade book at any given time. And let's take a look at that grade book real quick. While we're here is the files in Ally. As you can see, we'll open this up and everything is in green. And let's go ahead and let's look at the grade center. If we look at the grade columns, you'll see that every assignment other than the enrollment verification quiz has a category, has a due date. And then when we look at the information in the total column, which is the current grade, which is always available to the students at the top. So as you can see right here, it's frozen. And if we look at this information, it is set up with the categories, quizzes 10, discussions 10, exercises 40, categories for the project and final exam are both 20. And if we go back to the syllabus and or the course information, you'll see that that matches directly with the information that is provided 10, 10, 40, 20, 20. So again, I hope this is useful and that you like the courses, and thank you for this opportunity.